Hi, hello friends, welcome to our skill courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about links, comments, header and footer, and page numbers and symbols. So let's begin. In the last topic, we will discuss about the insert, shape, smarter, chart, and screenshot. Now, today we will discuss about the online video, hyperlink. All this topic we will cover in today's video. So, I want to go to online video. Click on the online video. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, here I will type here delegates. Okay, then I will enter it and I will click here and insert this video. See, and when you insert, I will click suppose here. They okay, like this. Okay, I will click here and
We are joined now by Bill
like
Gates,
this.
the co-founder of Microsoft, which he began in 1975 when he was 19 years old. He also
our
co-founded
video
the
is
Bill and Melinda Gates
start.
Foundation, one of the largest philanthropic.
So it is called an online video. Okay. Then next topic. Okay, wait a minute. Our next topic we go to hyperlink. Okay. What is hyperlink? Hyperlink means one file attached to another file. It is called a hyperlink. Okay, we go to the rand formula and our video is come. Then I will click here, select, and I will go to hyperlink. Okay, and I type here www.google.com. Okay, and OK. See, this is the link. Okay, I want to click this link. So press Ctrl and click here. Okay, see our Google website is open. Okay, it is called as a hyperlink. One link is attached to another link is called as a hyperlink. Okay, I will remove it. See, if you want to remove this link, select this, go to the hyperlink and remove link. See here, remove link. Our link is removed. Then next is bookmark. Suppose I select this word can. What is bookmark? See, look at here. Bookmark is a word that hyperlink to the let and jump to the place of your document. When we use the bookmark used only for when you read any kind of book or textbook. Then we use the bookmark. Okay. So I will go to click here and I type here can and add this bookmark. Okay, and I will deselect this word and I will go to the bookmark and go to see this is our bookmark come here. Okay, then it is a cross reference means what? I will select this and word. Okay, like this, and I will go to bookmark and a and the and also add this. Okay, first of all. Then it is a cross reference. You will go to the cross reference. Then I will select this bookmark. See, these two bookmarks we done right now. And can. Okay, this is and this is can. Okay, this and can. These two bookmark we will done right now. Okay, it's showing cross reference. If you want to delete the bookmark, go to the bookmark and delete the option. Delete. Select it and delete it. Okay, then it is called a header. Okay, I will go to the header and it is header file is come here. Okay, first of all I will okay, I will go first. Okay, I will control enter. Okay. this. And also paste here also. Control V. Again Control V. Okay. Control V. See. Okay, then I go to the header and I click the header. Suppose I type the header at top top. Okay, and I go to the footer. It is called a PTO. What is header? Header means any kind of chapter name. It is called a header. And what is footer? Any kind of page number. It is called a footer. Suppose I go to the print preview option. See, it is top and it is PTO. See, top and PTO. Top and PTO. See, these two things is come all over here. See, top and PTO. Like this. Okay, it is called a header and footer. Suppose I want to remove the header and footer. Go to insert. Go to header option. Remove header. And next, remove footer. Then again I will go to the print preview. See, all header and footer get removed. Okay. Then next is page numbers. It is called a page number. Suppose you go to the page number, it is called top of the page. Okay, I click here. See, it is called a page number. Your page number is come here. See, it is print. Go to preview option. See page number. Okay. In case you want page number at the bottom of the page, see, go to the bottom of page. Page number come bottom of page. See. Then if you want the page number at margin, it is margin. It is margin. See, margin page. Page number 6 like this. Okay. If you want to remove, then go to page number. Remove page numbers. Okay. Then next, it is a comments. Okay. What is comments? Suppose I click here. Okay, like this, and I will go to the comment. I write the comment anything. Okay. Like this. Then here also comment. I want to type nice. And if you want to do comment here, you can also do comment here. It is excellent. Okay. If you want to give this type of commentary, it's good. Like this kind of comments you can also give it. Suppose I click here. Okay, comments is only for you and click. Then nice comment is give for a search online for. Then you see excellent comment give for header and footer. Okay. Suppose you want to delete all these comments, so press the right click and delete comment. Right click, delete comment. Right click, delete comment. Or you can also go for the review option and here you see delete comment. See, I click here first and I will go to delete all comments and documents. See, like this. Okay. Then we go to the next of text boxes. Suppose I click here and I will go to text box and I will draw text box like this. Okay, and I want to type this. ABC Coaching Center. Okay. Then next is Wall Street, Mumbai. Like this. Then phone number like this. Service offer. Coaching, training, web development. Like that you can type text over here, and here you see it is a edit shape. I go to change shape, you see it is edit shape like this. Okay. Then you want to fill any kind of color, you can fill it. It is shape fill, you can fill the shape color. It is shape outline, you can fill the outline color. Shape effects like shadow, reflection, glow, edges, bevels, 3D, you can do it 3D like this also. or you can also do word art style like this. Okay, for example, okay, I select first, and you can also do like these styles. You can give the text color, you can also do text outline, you can also do the shadow reflections or any kind of transformation image like this. Okay, you can set the positions of these text boxes. You can also do the behind text like this, see like this. Okay, or you can also rotate it 90 degree, left 90 vertical, horizontal, flip vertical. You can increase the height, you can increase the width also. It is called as a text boxes. Then next is our word art style. You can also go to word art style like this, and you can type here ABC coaching center like this. Or also again you can edit the text, edit shapes, edit text, edit shape. Here shape fill colors, you can use the shape fill color like this. You can use the any kind of text colors, outlines, shadings. Here you can do reflection, glow, bevel, 3D, transform. You can see like this. You can also do transform image like this, transforms like this, or you can also use the reflection also like this. Okay, position, you can set the position what you want. Then you can also do the wrap text like behind text like this. See, I will show like this. You can also do the wrap text. Then you can also rotate it like this. You can also align this, align left, align center, align right, align top. Okay, like this. See top, you go, you see it is top. Okay, it is called rotate. You can also rotate it. Okay, you can increase the height like this. Shapes, you see, we are discussing the shapes and picture also in this. Okay, so next our topic is drop cap. See, what is drop cap? I click the cursor, put the cursor on V. Okay, see here before I. Okay, I will go for drop cap and drop it like this. You see, this type of word is only used in newspapers or any kind of magazines. Okay, when I in margin you set, see in margin you can see it is our margin, and in this margin you see our V. Okay, it should drop in margin. Okay, then you can also go to drop cap options. If you want to, whichever body you want to take. Suppose I want to take the body of area black like this. Okay, then I want to drop the lines. How much lines you want to drop? I will put the 8 lines, and I want to distance, put the distance like this, 0.6, 0.7 like this. See like this. It is our drop cap. You can also do in drop like this also. Okay, if you don't want to drop cap, click on none. The drop cap option get removed. Then it is called a signature line. What is signature line? See, is signature line. I will go to Microsoft Office signature line here, and I type here manager, and I will click on OK button. See, okay, wait a minute. See, there signature line is come. Okay, the manager can put the signature over here and give the any kind of letter to the employee. Okay, it is called a signature line. Okay, if you want to remove the signature line, click here and delete the option. Okay, then next is date and time. You see here, it is our date option, October 8, 2023. If you want any kind of time also you want to consider, click here, this date and time options come here. See. Okay, then next, it is called the object. See, I click the object, I will go from text from file. See, suppose I will go this type of file, I will take and insert it. See, this type of file is come to my Word document. Okay, it is called a text from file. It is called an object. Okay. If you want to remove them, press the Ctrl Z. You can remove this text file. Then equation, you see any kind of equation you want, you can click the equation. You see it is our equation option is coming. Okay. Then next it is symbol option. You go to symbol, you see it is a copyright symbol. see it is, you can use a copyright symbol it is. Then it is a, you can see it is a book symbol. You can type any book, so it is a book symbol. Okay, so it is a symbols. Okay, so on today's topic, guys, on today's topic we discuss about comments, header, footer, page number, hyperlink, online video, cross reference. All this topic we cover today's video. So on the next topic we will discuss about design and page layout option. So stay with our channel, like it, subscribe it and share to my channel for more informative videos.